When readers discover your software product inside content that's already valuable to them, they're far more likely to click. But making that happen, without sounding forced, used to take a pro-level writer and hours of work. The software product content focus inside Next Level Marketing AI changes that. It gives the AI content writing assistant the details it needs to spotlight your product effectively. This ensures your product is featured in a way that feels natural, relevant, and genuinely useful, right when your audience is already engaged. This way, more readers discover your product, without you having to write a single sentence in the articles promoting it. All right, let's build one together, step by step. From the left-hand menu, click Add Content Focus. That brings you here. From the Content Focus Type drop-down, choose Software Product to unlock the right fields. For the label, enter something you'll recognize later. Let's go with Inbox Flow Email Summarizer. For product name, I'll enter Inbox Flow. Then for product description, let's keep it simple. Inbox Flow is an AI-powered tool that scans your inbox and delivers a smart daily summary, so you never miss what matters. In product features, add the product's main features. Let's say, summarizes email threads, flags urgent messages, integrates with Gmail and Outlook, and learns your priorities over time. And for competitor names, I'll add Superhuman. All set? Click Add Content Focus, and you're ready to go. You can now apply this content focus to any article in your content queue. Here's how easy it is. I go to my content queue and pick this article titled, How to Beat Email Overwhelm Without Going Dark. Next, I assign the Inbox Flow content focus and just let the AI do its thing. Okay, now let me read you a quick bit from the finished article so you can see how the product gets worked in. When checking messages, ask yourself, will this take less than 2 minutes to handle? If yes, take care of it right away. This method works because it keeps small tasks from stacking up. Short replies, quick confirmations, or forwarding a note, these actions don't need much time. Letting them sit only adds clutter and stress later on. The key is not overthinking each email. Don't flag everything for later if you can deal with it now. The faster you clear short tasks, the more focus you'll have for longer items that require thought or planning. Inbox Flow helps make this even easier. It gives you a quick summary every day so you can spot what needs attention fast. Instead of scrolling through dozens of old threads or trying to decide which messages matter most, Inbox Flow pulls what's urgent to the top, saving time before you even open an email. See how it's not a hard sell? It's smart product placement. So if you want your product to show up more, get discovered faster, and feel like a natural part of the story, set up a software product content focus today and start assigning it to your content inside Next Level Marketing AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.